Welcome to today's awesome assembly. Now, where's that dog Asher gone?
Asher, today's a very special day, isn't it? Look at me. Asher, sit. Good girl. Now, can you see her eyes? I think, Asher, you need to have a haircut, don't you? Yeah? Should we take to the dog groomers today? Shall we? Yeah, look at that big waggy tail down there.
Now, our dog Asher is precious to us, which is why we play with her, take her for walks, give her food and water, play with her, and of course sometimes take her to the dog groomers as well. And here she is, a couple of hours later. You can see her eyes, and a lot of the curls have been chopped off her ears, and her body has got a much thinner coat, much shorter coat, which is much better for her when it's hot and sunny. Look at that big waggy tail.
Do you have a good groom? Yeah? Look, all that's been chopped off. We can see your eyes now, can't we? Yeah? Oh, you're lovely and soft.
So here's the before Asher went to the dog groomers, with long hair all over her eyes. And here's the after. Now, there are lots of things that could be precious to us, like our friends or our family, maybe a favourite toy. For me, playing music and being creative is a precious thing to me, but so is singing to God. Lord, you are so precious to me. Lord, you are so precious to me, and I love you. Yes, I love you because you first loved me. Lord, you are so precious to me. Lord, you are so precious to me, and I love you. Yes, I love you because you first loved me.
It's all mine.
Okay, so I love chocolate, and Mr. Badger loved all his birthday cards. They're very precious to him, so thank you for these other ones too. Mr. Badger got some more lovely birthday cards. Look, this one says, "Happy birthday, Mr. Badger. My favourite assembly is when you went kayaking." And this one says, "Happy birthday, Mr. Badger. Have a very good day." Fantastic. Mr. Badger is so pleased with all those lovely cards. Look, this one's even got Mr. Badger. You can take out of a little pocket at the back. Isn't that lovely? And my cat, Fudge, is also precious to me. Look, there she is. She's climbed across the conservatory roof and is now on the fence. I hope she can get down okay. I hope she's all right.
Hello. Is it nice up there? Is it? That good?
Now, for the second part of our assembly, click on the link below in the description. That's right, we're going to watch an online assembly. Assemblies online. So please do click on the bottom link and watch it with me and Mr. Badger. And while you're doing that, you can listen to my song. Lord, yes Lord, you are, yes you are, so precious, precious, precious to me. Amazing. Lord, yes Lord, you are, yes you are, so precious, precious, precious